Of this historic and, quite frankly, damning indictment released to the public today, laying out the special counsel's case against Donald Trump and his gross mishandling of classified documents. Given that this is the first time such actions are being taken against a former president, the special counsel made sure he came prepared with the receipts, and they could not be any more incriminating. In all, the special counsel is charging Trump with 37 counts. 31 of them have to do with Trump's willful retention of national defense information, otherwise known as the Espionage Act. These are charges related to false statements, conspiracy to obstruct justice, withholding and corruptly concealing documents, as well as scheming to conceal. Included in some of those charges is one of Trump's closest aides, Walt Nauta, who was also indicted. Also today, we heard for the first time from the man leading the special counsel investigation, Jack Smith.
Our laws that protect national defense information are critical to the safety and security of the United States, and they must be enforced. Violations of those laws put our country at risk. Adherence to the rule of law is a bedrock principle of the Department of Justice, and our nation's commitment to the rule of law sets an example for the world. We have one set of laws in this country, and they apply to everyone. Applying those laws, collecting facts, that's what determines the outcome of an investigation.
The special counsel spelled out the national security risk posed by the documents Trump took with him. Quote, "The classified documents Trump stored in his boxes included information regarding defense and weapons capabilities of both the United States and foreign countries, United States nuclear programs, potential vulnerabilities of the United States and its allies to military attack, and plans for possible retaliation in response to a foreign attack. The unauthorized disclosure of these classified documents could put at risk the national security of the United States, foreign relations, the safety of the United States military, and human sources, and the continued viability of sensitive intelligence collection methods." For all of you out there, like myself, that did not go to law school, let me be clear about the U.S. code Trump is being charged with under the Espionage Act. It does not matter whether those documents were classified or not. It does not matter whether Trump twitched his nose like bewitched and said to himself, "They are classified." It only matters that they refer to national defense, which they clearly do. And throughout this indictment, we are learning even more about Trump's involvement every step of the way and how careless he was with these documents. Counter to Trump's lawyers' claims, the indictment points out that Trump was personally involved in the process of packing up the boxes when he left the White House. And while Trump and his lawyers claim the documents were secure in a storage room at Mar-a-Lago, they forgot to mention that for months upon arriving at his Florida club, they were actually left out in the open, on the stage of a ballroom in which events and gatherings took place, as well as in a bathroom and a shower. That sure would make some great reading material for anyone needing to use the toilet.